welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, it's New Year's Eve, and my husband and I are just staying in for New Year's. It's really cold and rainy. Hey, honey. Hey. And we look hilarious, but we're happy. But what I thought I'd do is just show you what we're doing, just staying in for New Year's. So let me flip the camera around and I'll show you some of our setup, and I may show you things we do on and off throughout the night. I'll be right back. Okay, first let me start down here. I got this at Target's Dollar Spot, and it just says Happy New Year in gold glitter, and I think it is adorable. I really love it. It is so shiny. And then I just have my little DIYs I made, and in this I put some punch that we make. It's just lemon sherbet, it's just lime sherbet, orange sherbet, vanilla ice cream, and Sprite, but it's really good. And there's our little glasses that we got at Dollar Tree, and we got these just at Walmart. And then we have our 2018 glasses, and then there's my little DIY I made with brownies that we made and cookies. And then right here we just have we're keeping it pretty light this year since it's just the two of us, some cheese and crackers and olives. And then I have some Chex Mix in this bowl. Oh, I love Chex Mix. And then we just kept with our theme, and we got these at Walmart. Just says Happy New Year. And then we have some peanuts. And then this is from Dollar Tree, the Silver Star, and I just stacked it on top of two of Dollar Tree's little candle holders. And then here's my pepperoni rolls. They won't last the night. We've already been into them. And then we're back to that. So we're going to eat, I think, right now. And then when we get ready to goof around and maybe do some things, we maybe show you. So I'll be back. I thought you might like to watch this. We're playing this game that we found, and it's the Oregon Trail, and it's so funny. So I thought you might like to watch a little bit of this. It's hilarious. Okay, it's your turn.
Okay, I got to finish the trail. It says draw space bar. Draw one calamity card.
Okay.
Broke an axle. Need to draw a 2, 4, or 6.
Oh, on the dice you need to roll
die.
it? Die.
6.
Oh, a 6. I don't believe it.
Put it to the bottom. Okay, your turn.
Okay, so I'm going to draw me... Oh, so I'm going to put down something. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to... Well, okay. What we're trying to do is get from Independence, Missouri to Willamette Valley, Oregon. It's hilarious.
It's got to connect there.
So I'm going to... Oh, it has to connect there?
Yeah, so you need a different card.
Oh, okay. I got it. I'll still have to draw a calamity card. Thief. A thief comes during the night. A thief steals your supplies. Discard one supply card. Oh my. I don't know if I want to get rid of any of these. Oh. Alright. 200 pounds of food. I'll get rid of that.
Okay. And I got to continue on the trail. I don't have a trail card. I got to draw one. Ooh, good. I got it.
Oh, great. Set up, set up, set up. Oh, Lordy. What happens if you don't have one?
Do like I did. You got to draw one. Hope it hooks.
It doesn't. What do you do then?
Draw another one.
Oh my gosh! No! I can't.
Do you have a fort? Do you have a town? Anything?
On my supplies? No.
All right, you got to draw again.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
But I have to get a calamity card. Food. You go hunting. Collect 200 pounds of rabbit and bison if you have one bullet card. Discount this card if you have no bullet cards. Well, I have bullet cards.
You got a bullet card?
Yeah, what do I do with my bullet card?
Then
I have 100 bullets.
Ooh. Well, you put that at the bottom of the supply, and I got to give you a pile of food because we don't have a supply person.
Oh.
is. Medicine. Spare parts.
Do you even have any food?
No food cards. We're going to owe you food.
Okay.
You need food, you got it. It must be out.
Who am I going to say prove that I needed the card to?
Just hang on to it. We'll get it.
Oh,
okay, my turn.
Yes. Okay, guys, we're back, and what I'm going to do is fix a hot fudge sundae, a hot fudge cake, just like Shoney's used to have. And I baked a devil's food cake, and all you do is just cut the size about the size you want, and I'm trying to keep it relatively smaller because I am stuffed. And then all I have to do is get some vanilla ice cream. And my dear husband is about that long, because I made it kind of small. He's cutting the ice cream for me. You could probably cut that right in half, and that would be good for both of us.
Sounds great.
Okay. And then you just get some vanilla ice cream. You put that right like that. Hold that, I'm not quite ready. Then you take another piece of your cake. You put it on top. This is not for the faint of heart. Then you heat this hot fudge in the microwave, and you pour it over top. You can only heat it for like 45 seconds since it's full. But this tastes exactly like Shoney's hot fudge cake. It is so yummy. Ugh, it's good. Okay, and then you just top it with Cool Whip. It is so good. Okay, guys, we are completely exhausted, totally stuffed, and it is pretty late, so we thought we'd hop on here and thank you so much for spending part of our New Year's with us. And we've really enjoyed it, and now we're going to go watch Edward Scissorhand. I've been really looking forward to it. So we wanted to say to you, Happy New Year! So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.